Hello all, welcome to a video on how to create Amazon EC2 instance. To create AWS EC2 instance, go to AWS console using the URL console.aws.amazon.com. In this, login using root user email. The root user email, provide root user email and password. And to create EC2 instance, go to services and choose compute and then choose EC2. It will take you to EC2 dashboard, and here you can create EC2 instance by clicking on launch instance. And here first we need to provide the server name, and I am creating this EC2 instance to install Git. That's why I am choosing the name as Git server. And the application OS image as Amazon Linux. And we are choosing the Amazon machine image Amazon Linux 2023 AMI and architecture 64-bit x86 architecture. And the instance type, we are choosing t2.micro, which is free tier eligible instance type. So we are choosing the same image. And to authenticate ourselves to log in into this machine, we need a key, and that key can be created here. To create a key, we need to click on create new key pair, and provide the name of this key pair. I am choosing the name as DevOps Lab key pair, and we need to save it securely in our machine, because we need to use it in future login to this machine. So click on create key pair, and it will download the key pair and save it in some location securely. And next, provide security group details. For now, we are creating a new security group, and it allow traffic to SSH, that is port number 22, from any IP address. And storage, we are keeping the default values, and we are keeping all other values as by default. Click on launch instance. It will create a EC2 instance, and you can see EC2 instance status here. Currently it is created and running. To log in into it, choose this instance and copy the public IP address. Open mobile external. In this, click on a new session, click on SSH session, and use remote host as IP address of the machine. Specify the username EC2 minus user, which is the default username for all Linux based EC2 instances. And go to advanced tab, advanced SSH settings tab, choose use private key, and browse the private key downloaded earlier. Click on OK. It allows you to log in into this machine. To install Git in it, choose the use the commands sudo m update. The repositories are up to date. and to install git sudo yum install git. Yes, git is installed. And to check git installation status, use the command git, and it is saying usage is this like this.